Ching-Hui, you want to come over here? Come on. Hey. Hi everyone, this is Ching-Hui, this is Oliver. Okay, so today I like to talk about be creative on your artworks. So I enjoy alcohol ink painting, but today I like to show you some different ideas you can do with alcohol ink. Okay, alright, I'll put you back. You can chew your bone here. Yeah, be good. Okay, so I recently did some tulips painting, and then this one is one of my favorite. Okay, this one I add some dry flower on the alcohol painting, and I use a glass put on the top to protect the painting. Okay, and I just did this one recently. Sometimes artwork can be, you know, spontaneous. It doesn't need to be a certain form. So this one is a little bit abstract. So I think it's a good idea just add some dry flowers as well. So I love to walk outside, and when I walk on the neighborhood, I love to collect some plants or flowers on the side of the road. So I have a collection of dry flowers. Okay, so with alcohol ink painting, sometimes it come out like a little bit abstract, and then you cannot really control the how the paint you want them go, but you can always do some creation on top of this. So I'm going to show you in my next few videos about how to use alcohol ink as your background foundation, and then you paint on top of it. Okay, I did this one after my family took a trip to the tulip festival a while ago. So you can see the background is all alcohol ink, but the front is tulips field. I was going to just paint some alcohol ink tulips, but somehow this front row, the dark purple color is kind of too strong, so I'm going to add a little bit dry flowers to kind of make it more pop or distract the focus on the front, because the back part is so pretty. I kind of want to do some arrangement in the front to kind of make the painting more balanced. So now I like to show you how to do the mix painting with the alcohol ink on the base painting, and then I picked some dry flowers I collected. So I'm going to use the acrylic medium, is the high gloss Varnish, okay, to glaze it, and also this can work as a glue. And then the brush I picked this one is really soft, so you can just, you know, make very nice, and then nice glaze on top. Okay, this one is a little bit too hard, so I don't prefer this one. And then for the brush, you know, it's better to have a little bit bigger brush so that you can apply the varnish, high gloss varnish on the canvas. Okay. So when I do this kind of mixed media painting, I like to arrange my dry flower on the canvas first and see how, if I like the arrangement of the spot I place the flowers. So you can see this I just try to figure out the composition on the canvas, and then I already have the glass medium ready to go. So I'm going to start with the bottom part here. So just glaze this. Okay, and I think this one is nice to be right here, something like that. Okay, so you just need to apply some, and once it is set and dry, you will not see the glass medium. Okay, it's going to look like transparent. Okay, so this one I'm going to do This one, let's see, right here. Put it right here. This one. And if you don't like it, you can always adjust it. Okay. This one here. So I'm going to continue to finish all the flowers here. I really like this one. It's so pretty. Just the color overlapping. I'm going to do this one next. And I would suggest to work in a certain area first, and then you can work on different color theme on a different time. So that way, when you do the glass, sometimes the pen will pick some a little bit color of the alcohol ink, and you don't want the color mix with different colors. So that's why I like to do it separately. Okay, so I'm going to continue to finish this part. I applied the glaze on all the canvas area. First, I did this flower part, and then I want to make all the surface looks like consistent. So I want to have all the glaze cover the canvas. So now I'm doing the empty spot. I haven't had the glaze on, so this one just need to be I also like to add some sparkles on certain part of the painting, make it like when the lights hit, it's going to have some bling bling effect. So I use this Martha Stewart craft glitter. So I'm just going to apply on some spot like this, bling bling. Okay, so you can see, you know, after the glass set and dry, and when the light hit, it's going to create that reflection, beautiful reflection. Okay, so I'm going to finish the top, and then I'll show you the final result. This one is the last one. Okay, right there. Okay. So I'm done. So I'm going to let it dry, and then this is today's alcohol painting. It is fun to do the mixed media painting. Okay, this is Ching-Hui, and I hope you like my videos, and please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. God bless you. Bye bye.